In the world of AI, how to get started can be overwhelming. There's so many things to do. What should I use? What tools should I get? All of these things. And that's why I decided to put together a little guide how to get started with AI. Now, we're going to break this up into 3 different sections, and I'm even going to tell you a couple different tools you might have heard of, might not have heard of, that you can start using right now to get involved and start using AI. So first of all, when you're getting started on this AI journey, it's really important to think about these 3 different facets. Number 1, your interests or needs, your goal, and then your starting point. And I think that's a really important thing that people don't think about. So first of all, what is your interest or need? So there are so many different ways people are using AI, machine learning, all these different things right now. Where do you want to start? Are you trying to have an impact in your industry and learn how to do something in your industry specific? Or are you trying to learn just about AI in general, or learning a new skill using AI because you see that new jobs are going to be coming up, like AI prompting and others, that people are making a lot of money? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know where you're at. The second part that you have to think about is your goal. I want to do X, or I want to start saving time doing Y with AI. You've got to think about where your goals are, because if you dive in and just start reading all of these newsletters about AI, which some are really great, it can just be overwhelming, paralyzing, and you don't do any of it. So you need to figure out where your end point is, or how can you show success when you're using AI. And then the third is talking about your starting point. Where are you going to get started? And how can you make it easy? So now that we have gone over the 3, it's important to think about, how do you get started right now? And my answer to that is, start where you're comfortable. So you could do something where you're already using a tool that you love, like Canva, and now you're going to be using some of their AI tools that are in Canva. You already love Canva, now you're going to be experimenting with that. And I have a whole link down below of showing the 10 plus tools that Canva just released for AI, or using AI. Or maybe that you're coding and you're already a coder and you're like, I don't even see how AI could be helping me. Well, you could use something like Ghostwriter, where it's allowing you to create code faster, because it's giving you, you're allowed to have different prompts so you can start coding faster with AI, essentially. Or maybe you're an artist and you're trying to do different designs and you're going to use something like Midjourney. And if you've never used Midjourney, it allows you to create different images based on your text. These are just some of the things that people have created with Midjourney. So this is your introduction. This is showing the basis of where you're going to be starting your journey in AI. I'm going to be along with you. I have a new thing called Learn AI with Doc, and this is just the beginning of your journey. Let me know in the comment section what questions you have, where you're starting. Do you like this format? All of those things. And we're going to be bringing a lot more just like this video to you very soon. I'll see you in the next video, and we're going to deep dive into the different tools that you can be using to get started with AI.